Welcome back to our topic of ninth class chemistry, that is latent heat. What do you mean by the latent heat? Do you feel something that the things which we are using, it is changing its states, physical states? Which are the physical states? Solid, liquid and gases. Is it okay? So when the solid is changing its state into liquid, how does it happen? Isn't the question arise in your mind? Liquid changes into gas. How does it happen? The simple procedure we can explain in a simple word, but scientifically, the latent heat is responsible for when the solid turns into liquid, or if we take the liquid substance, when it turns into gases. All are moving around the word latent heat. Is it clear? What do you mean by the latent heat? A latent heat is a heat which has to be supplied to change the state of a substance. मतलब ऐसी हीट जो हम एक सब्सटेंस को देते हैं, पर वो हीट हम क्यों से देते हैं? क्योंकि वो अपनी इस स्टेज से दूसरी स्टेज में जाकर चेंज हो सके. क्लियर? Simple example of ice. Ice is a dry CO2. Okay? Dry it is. Take the ice, when it turns into the water, that solid changed into the liquid state. It means what does it happen? We provide the latent heat there. Latent heat is there. Is it clear? So due to that latent heat only, that solid changes its states into the liquid state. What do you mean by the latent heat then? The heat which has to be supplied to the substance to change the state of it is called latent heat. Remember one thing, when we are giving the latent heat does not rise the temperature of the given substance. उस substance का temperature नहीं change होता है. It always be constant and they never be increase their kinetic energy. Is it clear? These latent heat are of two types. Latent heat of fusion, which is also known as a melting, which takes place solid to liquid state, and latent heat of vaporization, means liquid to gaseous physical state. So come toward the first topic, that latent heat of fusion, solid to liquid. Is it clear? Take the solid, that is ice. What is the perfect temperature of the ice? Is 0 degrees Celsius. Its freezing temperature is also same and its melting temperature is also same, 0 degree Celsius. Now one experiment we will do. We will take the much more ice or 1 kg of ice in a one big jar and put it on the tripod stand and start to provide the heat. After some time, what you will see, slowly when the heat start producing, slowly that ice starts melting. Sorry, I forgot to tell you one thing. When you are putting the ice in that jar, put the thermometer also. And while putting the thermometer, what is there? You will find out the temperature. It is exact 0 degree Celsius. It starts melting. But temperature is not rising. Temperature is not raising. Why so? Up to the last end, when the last little cube also ice is remaining in the beaker, it will not be rising temperature. जब तक उस बीकर में बर्फ का छोटा सा टुकड़ा भी बचा होगा, तब तक उसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज नहीं होगा. वो 0 डिग्री है, वो 0 डिग्री ही रहेगा. Now why does it happen? This I will explain you. But before that, the heat which we are producing, that latent heat, is a quantity of heat in joule. It's a quantity of heat in joule, and for converting the 1 kg of ice into liquid, we need this much latent heat. For converting the 1 kg of ice into liquid, we need 3.34 10 raised to the 5 joule per kg heat. हमें 1 किलो बर्फ को पानी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कितनी हीट की जरूरत पड़ेगी? 3.34 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5 joule kg. Is it clear? Now how then, if we are producing giving the heat, providing the heat. If it is not used by that ice, then where does it is going? The word latent means is the hidden. The word latent means is the hidden. Okay? Latent word का meaning ये होता है hidden, hidden heat. Now we put the tripod stand and burner we started. It starts burning. Ice started melting. Up to at point, if the completely ice melts, it converted into liquid state. That solid converted into liquid state. It means after providing the latent heat, the physical state of solid changes into the liquid state. Clear? But how does it happen? Where does the heat go? Where does the latent heat go? So actually what happened? You know that the solids are closely packed, very fixed particles. The places of the particles are tightly fixed there. They are closely packed. So the heat which we are providing, the particles of it starts vibrating and they are starting to separate it from. And they are separating slowly. And there only they are using this latent heat. They are using this latent heat to overcoming the force of attraction between their particle. Overcoming the force of attraction between their particle, and that's why they are not raising the temperature. जब वो पार्टिकल सेपरेट होते हैं तो उसे सेपरेट होने के लिए वो हीट का वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं, इसलिए हमें वो हीट दिखाई नहीं देती और इसी वजह से उसका टेम्परेचर भी इंक्रीज नहीं होता है. बट वन थिंग इज देयर, इफ complete water is ice is melted into the water form. So what does it happen? After it, when the water starts boiling, it can increase the temperature. It will rise the temperature, but up to that there will no rise in temperature. Latent heat are provided to separate it or to overcome from the forces by which they are tightly binded. Is it clear to you all? So what did you understand by the latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of fusion मतलब ये होता है कि जो solid state को liquid state में change करने के लिए use होता है. 1 kg of ice if we are converting, we need the 3.34 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5 joules per kg. We need the latent heat. Why the temperature is not rising? Because the latent heat which we are providing to the solid, it is used by its particle to overcoming the force of attraction between them. Is it clear to you all? Now, next topic is latent heat of vaporization. It takes place between the liquid state to the gaseous state. Now, very good example that is liquid is universal topic is that is water. So water having the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Do one thing, take the water in a one beaker and start to boil it. After, what does it happen? Its temperature rises and when it comes to the 100 degrees Celsius, it start stopping to raise. वो टेम्परेचर वहाँ से बढ़ना बंद कर देता है जब वो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे आ जाता है. After that, what does it happen? You will feel that when it reaches to the 100 degrees Celsius, it stopped and that liquid starts to change its physical state. It means that they starts vaporizing. That water is converted into water vapor. उनकी vapors बनने लगती है. It gives the steam. So, how much energy it needed? It needs the 2.25 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5 joule per kg heat. It needed. When the liquid state it going to convert it into the gaseous state, it need the latent heat is 2.25 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5 joules per kg. Same experiment which you did here, but the state of energies. And one thing always, one thing I will tell you, when this solid comes to the liquid, they need this much energy they are using. But when the liquid we are converting into the solid, if we are putting the liquid into the freeze and it becomes solid, so this much energy is come out. This much energy is come out when the liquid is going to turn into the solid state. Same thing is here when the latent heat of vaporization takes place between the liquid to gases. That water starts boiling, but when it reaches to the 100 degrees Celsius, the steams comes out. It means they changed into the physical gaseous state. Okay. It used the energy that is 2.25 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5 joule per kg. Is it clear? There is also no rise in temperature. Why does it so? Because the particles of water are using that latent heat to overcome through their forces and convert into the gaseous state. If you take the example of the spirit if when we are applying on our skin, after that, after some time, you will feel that it evaporates. Why does it so? It needs the latent heat which we are giving. Means from our body we are just providing the heat to that spirit. Okay, that only happen. One thing also remember in this, that when the gaseous state converting into the liquid state, so this much energy is come out. This much energy is used by when the liquid state goes into the gaseous state, but when the gaseous state is converting into the liquid state, so what this much energy is come out or given out through the gaseous substance to the liquid substance. So do you understand about the latent heat? Latent means it is the hidden. The latent heat is given to the substance. You cannot see that heat, where does it going, but actually the particles of the solid, liquid or gases, it is using that energy, using that heat to overcome through the force of attraction, and in both the cases they are not increasing the kinetic energy. There is no increase in the kinetic energy in both the state. Here for 1 kg they are using 3.34 multiplied by 10 to the 5 joule per kg heat they are using, and when the liquid comes to the solid, this much energy also given out. Same thing happened in this also. Here we take the example of ice, here we took the example of the water. 100 degrees Celsius the temperature of water, and here is 0 degrees Celsius in both the terms. Why the temperature is not rising, this also I explained everything. Write down very keenly, point wise this thing. See you in the next session.